Several years ago I made a video about this trailer. I bought it. It was Harbor Freight. It's one of these folding Hall Master trailers, and so far it's been pretty good. I don't really have any complaints. It's starting to rust a little bit, but that's because I'm using the heck out of it, and it's usually at the worst time of year. You can see my low budget plywood sideboards are still in play, but they're warped pretty good now. One of the things that was kind of annoying is whenever you tilt this thing to unload it, the license plate gets kind of jacked around and gets knocked off. So I've actually gone to putting it on with wire ties. It just folds out now. Police haven't said anything bad about it. And these wheels that it slides around on in the shop are really kind of crappy. I keep saying I'm going to replace them with something, but I haven't done it yet. So maybe it's not that big a deal. Overall, am I happy I bought this stupid trailer? Yeah, I really am. It's done the job really good. We've had absolutely no trouble with it. Now that I've said that, I'm probably dooming myself to some quality time on the side of the freeway with a jack and a wrench. But anyway, there you go. That's sort of an update on this trailer. Several years into it. Still dig it. Still worth the money.